Liposuction is a great way to get rid of pockets of fat. So when you've had that diet or exercise resistant outer thigh or love handle, it's a good way to get rid of it, to reshape the body. There are different ways of doing liposuction. Ultrasonic and laser are similar in that they're both energy, and that energy is breaking up the fat. So there are areas where the fat is fibrous, like the upper abdomen, the back, the outer thigh. And in order to get that fat out, you need something to kind of break up the fat so that you can take it out. Ultrasound and laser use different kinds of energy. I tend to lean more toward ultrasonic because I think it helps me kind of airbrush more. It's like painting with a roller as opposed to a paintbrush. And it also preserves the stem cells in the fat. The amount of weight that you lose with liposuction doesn't tend to be much. This is something that's really much more of a body resculpting, not a weight loss technique. For every liter of fat that I remove, you should lose about 2 pounds. But I've had patients drop multiple pant sizes, but they lose very little weight. So it's really reshaping where you have your fat. And I think when you're doing liposuction, it's good to make sure that you do the whole body or look at the whole body. If you leave a pocket of fat behind, if you ever gain weight, it will first go to there. So I think it's important to think that if you ever fall off the wagon, where would that fat go, and try and do things so that you'll have a nice, smooth body shape. As far as all the non-invasive liposuction that has come out, things like CoolSculpt, I think there's a role for that. I think that when you are looking at doing a large body, and large body not meaning that you're overweight, but if you're doing a couple liters of fat, to do that in a non-invasive way would take a lot of treatments and would be pretty difficult. So for those patients, I think that doing body liposuction is still better. But if you have a tiny area like your chin or something like that, I think that doing something like CoolSculpt may be a better option.